Hey guys, okay, today's challenge. I'm going to be making a peanut butter smoothie milkshake. Now I've had to come into the kitchen to do this, obviously. So I've got a whole variety of peanut butter products. And I'm just going to stick them all in the blender with some milk, whisk it up and drink it. Let's see how it turns out. I'll go through what I've got as I'm putting them in. First one we've got here is some limited edition Oreo peanut butter flavour biscuits. Never had these ones. Next I've got some Reese's peanut butter pumpkins. Yummy. Oh, they don't look like pumpkins, do they? Okay, we've got some, open that up, some M&M's peanut butter ones. You don't get many in there, so might as well use them all. I have some more Reese's Pieces. We'll just chuckle them in as well. I have some Reese's Stick Minis chocolate bars. We have some Cadbury's Fingers Salted Peanut Crunch. I'm sure someone's been eating these. Okay. Some peanut butter crisps. Ooh. They look nice. And we have some Nestle Butterfinger bites right there. They don't want to go in, do they? Oh wow. And now let's add some milk. So there we go. Oh, I nearly forgot. Let's put some peanut butter in it. Because there's not enough in there. I just forgot to get a glass plate. Hold it. Okay, so here we go. So there we have it. Oh, that is really sweet. Bit of chocolate. Bit of wafer. It's actually still pretty thick. Oh, high on sugar. Yummy. So there we have it. Big Ben's peanut butter smoothie. So of course guys, you know what to do. Please like this video. Share this video. Friends, family. Be much appreciated. And of course subscribe. I wouldn't want you to miss out on the next challenge. Ding dong.